How to fix you can't make this change because the selection is locked on Microsoft Word. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is open up File Explorer, then go to C Drive. Now select Program Files, then select Microsoft Office, then go to Office 16. Now you will find the option of OSP PVR. Go ahead and right click on that, then select Run as Administrator. You want to do this for 3 times. After that, your issue will be fixed. However, if it is not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is open up Word, then click on File. Now select Options, then click on Customize Ribbon. Now select Developer over here, then click on OK. Once that is done, select Developer at the top, then select Design Mode, and you can simply change it now. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.